Is now we will implement string comparison using concept of pointers. So let us consider str1 contains hello and str2 contains world. Now I want to perform comparison between these two strings with the help of pointers. So let me consider an integer variable which can hold the comparative result, and I'll call the function which is my strcmp function by passing str1 and str2 as parameters to this function. And finally I will display here result. String comparison result is %d. So we are going to display result here. Okay. Now let us implement this function which is my strcmp function. So using pointers, let me consider s1 as the pointer to point string 1 and s2 as the pointer to point string 2. Okay. So how will you get the string comparison result? So it is simple, where you have to basically compare two strings and identify the ASCII value difference between the first non-matching character. Okay. So for this purpose, I'll compare the two strings as long as they are equal with the help of while loop. Okay. First, let us suppose star s1 is equal to star s2. Okay. Star s1 is equal to star s2. And also, you need to check here star s1 should be not equal to null. Okay. So this is not equal to null, or I can say null character. Anything is fine. So either this is not null or star s2 is not equal to null. Okay. So the first condition is the character located inside str1 is equal to character located in str2, okay, which is pointed by s1 pointer and s2 pointer. And also consider s1, whatever s1 pointer is pointing is not equal to null, or s2 pointing is not equal to null. So in that case only we will proceed further. Okay. So in that case we will increment s1 to the next position and also s2 to the next position. So s1 will be incremented and s2 will be incremented. Now here I will return the difference between s1 and s2. So here return star s1 minus star s2. So that will give you the difference between star s1 and star s2, which is nothing but non-matching characters corresponding difference. Okay. So either s1 is not null or s2 is not null, then only this particular loop is running. Okay. So overall, you can see when this condition is true, then only it will work, right? So this must be true, and also this must be true. So which means the characters should be matching at the same time. Any one of the string is not reaching null. Okay. So till that point, you can see s1 pointer and s2 pointer are incrementing to the next positions. And whenever you find there is a non-matching character or both are reaching to null, In such cases, you have to immediately find the difference between these characters. Okay, so those non-matching characters. Let's run this code and see the result. You can see string comparison result is minus 15 because we are comparing hello with world. First non-matching character is directly H and W itself. Okay. So H minus W, the difference is clearly 15 characters difference, and this H comes first when compared to W. That's why H minus W will lead to minus 15. So the result is shown as minus 15. Okay. So let us suppose I want to modify this string like X, Y, Z, and also this as X, X, Z. Now let's run this code and see the result. Y minus X is going to produce 1. Okay. Like this. Suppose if I am giving this as X, X, Z and this as X, Y, Z. In such case you will get result as minus 1. Suppose if the both the strings are equal, basically XYZ and XYZ, in such case you will get result as 0. Okay.